everyone, Brittany Loren here. I'm really excited about this class. Things have been a little rough in the world lately, but I think it's really great that Bird's Eye View is giving us an opportunity to still work with you guys and do something fun. And even with everything going on, this actually opens up a really great opportunity for me to show you guys what to expect for future classes. So I'm going to be doing my video a little bit different. I'm not going to be doing a live video. Instead, these videos are pre-recorded so that I can kind of let you pause the video whenever you need to, so that you can practice things. And there's some moments where I slow down the movement that I'm doing to show you exactly how the hoop works on my body. Before taking the class or watching the video, I highly recommend everyone to do a 5-minute body hoop workout. And I might be posting some of those. Maybe next week I'll post a waist hooping video to kind of show you a fun example of how to do that and how to make it fun at home. As for now, this week's class is going to be focusing on escalators. We touched base on escalators in previous classes, so some of my previous students may know a little bit about what I'm going to be showing you. But we're going to be doing something fun by connecting them. So we're going to show 3 different types of escalator movements and how to connect them all. So this will be really fun. Let me know what you think. All right, let's get started. So hello. The first movement that we're going to be learning is best used with a smaller hoop versus a bigger weighted hoop. You can use either though. This move is our escalator up with a hand grab repeat. This is what it looks like in slow motion. As you can see, arm tucked, opposite leg lifted, and it goes up. So I'll kind of walk you through this. So put the hoop in front of you, facing outward. The arm that you're going to catch with, you want to use that same leg and put it inside your hoop. The next thing you're going to do is a kind of a close the door motion, bringing your hand to your belly button. When you do that, make sure your arm is tucked and your opposite leg is brought up, like so. I catch with my hand facing outward, as you can see, kind of like the back of my hand to my forehead almost. And sometimes it might fly away. That's okay. It happens to everyone, and picking it up is also great extra exercise. If you have your elbow out, as you can see, without your arm tucked, it kind of gets in the way. So make sure to keep the arm tucked. And if you get really good at it, you can walk around your whole house doing it, which is really fun. Yay! All right, so the next escalator is an escalator down movement. So I'll show you what that looks like first. You're going to bring your arm out to your side versus already having it on your body. This escalator down versus up. Like so. I'll show you again. And then I'll show you again in slow motion. Watch my arm that is free right now. See how I bring it to guide? I'm not grabbing until the very end. I'm just guiding the hoop. So I kind of bring that hand to my armpit and then let the hoop fall. Another key point is how you start. Make sure you start with your hoop on your forearm, right below your elbow, not above, but below. See my hand positioning. It's almost like I'm pointing. Let it fall back, and as soon as it does, you're going to let go and bring your arm to your ear, like so. Make sure it's hitting your forearm. And again, if you bring your arm up, it helps to prevent you from hitting your ear or your face. Make sure that you don't let it do on your wrist, because if it goes on your wrist, it's going to fall a little differently. It might just fall off. Or if you have it hit your wrist rather than your forearm, it might kind of just like continue a arm hoop movement. So forearm, And then when you bring your arm up by your ear, it helps prevent it from hitting your ear and hitting your face. The reason I'm talking through all these motions so much is because I've noticed in my classes a lot of people have these issues. So here's how to combine the two. Really fun. We have it go up. Again, you can guide it. Now it's in your opposite side. And ta-da! So you just want to make sure that you bring it through by lifting your leg up, your opposite leg up. And you can also guide with your hand like so. I call that cheating. But if you're new and it works for you, it works. Do what works best for you. Either one is okay. I'm not very good with my opposite side. So I encourage you all to try on both sides. Be better than me. All right, so we did the 2. Now we're going to do the 3rd one. Yay, number 3. So instead of it being on our side, this one is in front. And this one's going to be a hop through. It's really exciting. So same movement, making sure that it hits your forearm. This is what it looks like. Hop. I'll show you again. Hop. And then from the side, so you see a different angle. And now in slow motion. Now I do a 2-leg hop. I like to do one at a time versus both. You can try each. I'll show you what both of them look like. So this is what I just did. 1 leg at a time. I find it works best for me, but some others might like doing both at the same time versus one at their own pace. I just find it works a little differently for me. It doesn't look as smooth, but that's just my opinion. Maybe you can make it look super smooth. Now, you can combine all 3. Perfect. Try it at home. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. And if you have any tips or anything like that, let me know. See you. Bye.